Hello guys, this is going to be a very quick video for some special kind of people. If you are new to software engineering and you are currently undergoing the ALX software engineering program and you are facing a particular blocker from this particular project right here, you can see this is the VI editing project over here, and you're facing this particular blocker right here from the 5th module exiting. Okay, you can see from the material that you've been provided, you can actually see the command right here, and the question is actually what is the command to quit VI even though latest changes have not been saved for this vehicle. Okay, and you can actually see the command right here, but if you type this, you are going to get an error from your terminal. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you how to do this quickly, so let's go. So I'm already SSH'd into the Ubuntu, and you can see setup already. Okay, let's go. I will cd into the root and then the 0x03 underscore vi, and I'm going to echo. Now right here you are going to encode this with the double quotes. Okay, now with the help of the double quotes I'll be able to type my colon and my Q and also the exclamation right here, and I'm going to add my greater than sign over here, and the name of the file should be exiting. Okay, from here I'm going to click on enter, and let me just ls to see. Okay, you can see that right here we now have the exiting. Okay, from here I'm going to go back to the root, cd /, and then from here now I'm going to do the validation command. Okay, so the ls -l, and I have the path here, root, and I'm going to go to the 0x03 underscore vi / exiting. So press enter, and you can see that. So I'm gonna go back to the checker over here, and I'm just gonna click on the check your code. I have done that before. I'm just going to click on start a new test. Okay, okay, you can see that the test just passed again. You can see that. Okay, you can see that contains correct answer. So that's it for this video, guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.